Hello, I'm Dr. Sudha Rajvelu. I have been approached by LDS and ORE exam taking candidates who have requested me to make videos on IELTS as well as ORE and LDS. I cleared LDSRCS both Part 1 and Part 2 components in the very first attempt. I also managed to get the required band score in IELTS in the very first go. I am planning to make videos where I'll be sharing useful tips with you as to how to effectively prepare for all these exams. How to plan and organize things, how to manage your time, what resources to use. All these things will enable you to pass your exams quickly too. In this video, I'll focus on IELTS requirements. Dentists need to prove that they are proficient in English before sitting these exams. You will need an academic version of the IELTS modules. You will need an overall score of 7 in all the 4 components of IELTS, not less than 6.5 in any one of the individual modules. ORE candidates will get an exemption if you have recently qualified within the last 2 years, where you have been taught and examined in English. You will also get an exemption if you have been practicing in a country where English is native and first language. For LDSRCS candidates, you will get an exemption if you are a national of an English-speaking country. Lastly, ORE candidates need to submit this certificate before sitting the Part 1 component of the ORE. Whereas for LDSRCS candidates, you are able to sit Part 1 component without IELTS. However, you should be able to submit this along with the other documents before sitting the Part 2 component of LDSRCS. Hope you found my video useful. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Kindly share with your friends as well. They will benefit from this. Kindly comment on the section below and let me know if you want me to make videos on any particular topic. So I'll be more than happy to do so. Thank you very much for watching and looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.